Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree. I'm going to be showing y'all how I achieve my wash and go. I first start off on freshly washed hair. So the things that we're going to need for this wash and go is Miss Jessie's curling custard, Cantu's leave-in conditioner, and some water with aloe vera juice. Now this is my everything. I use this stuff. I can't even tell you how much I use this stuff, but I love me some water and aloe vera juice. But wait. Before we get into this little, wash and go, I want you all to pause, like, subscribe, comment, hit the little bell so you never miss a video. So while you all do that, I'll wait. You ready now? You ready? You ready? Okay, let's proceed. So I then start by parting my hair into sections, and my hair is already detangled because I detangled it in the shower. And just put it in a couple ponytails. And then I'm going to spray this section with my aloe vera juice and water. And comb back a bit more, just to make sure that there are no tangles, no kinks. You don't want no tangles in your hair when you're trying to get a nice wash and go going. And then I'm going to section this section. And then I'm just going to put this. Then go in with our leave-in. Smooth it through. And as you see, I only have water and leave-in in my hair, and my curls are already formed. Now I'm going to take my Miss Jessie's curling custard, and I use about that much. And I'm going to start from the top and work my way down. And we're just going to continue to do that all throughout the hair, making sure that it's smooth, our fingers aren't getting tangled in. achieve my washing goal. So, hope you all like this video. Gives it a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what's the next video you all would like to see. And I'll see you next time. Bye.